I am Dr. K. Punita, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Management, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai. Today I am going to share the idea related to role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Entrepreneurs play an important role in economic development. Some of them are as follows. First one is create a large scale employment opportunity. The most crucial problem of any underdeveloped economy is unemployment. Entrepreneurs play an important role in providing job opportunity to large portion of the population. As more and more entrepreneurial enterprises are developed, both small and large scale job offerings are provided. The units of employed person keep on increasing with the growth of the business. With the passage of time and success of the business, entrepreneurs set up more industries which offer more employment opportunity to the economy. In this way, entrepreneurs contribute efficiently towards the economic development of the country. For example, well-known entrepreneurial firms such as Tata, Reliance, HCL, Godrej, Bajaj, Amul, Aditya Birla Group, Wipro, Flipkart, etc. have contributed a lot in employment generations of thousands and millions of Indians. Mukesh Ambani owned a Reliance Jio. Already 1,94,056 employees were employed and he planned to hire 80,000 employees in futures. This shows the entrepreneurs play an important role in providing the employment opportunity to the society. Next one is balanced regional development. The social benefits like a transport facility, education, health, entertainment, etc. take place in the growth and expansions of the business. But these economic development are limited to the specific areas where the industries are situated. With the changing time and increasing competition, large industries are enforced to start up the industries in less developed as well as rural areas. This leads to the development of such areas. For example, cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad have undergone a tremendous modification in the regional infrastructure due to the booming range of startup take place here. Beside, Noida and Gurgaon, are now known as Gurugram, are also a good example where development has taken place to set up new firms and industries. The next one is increasing the national income. The total output of all goods and services produced annually, including all the import of the country, is known as a national income. The country produces goods and services according to the demand of domestic consumers and number of exports. The country's demand increases with the growing populations and their personal income, whereas the level of export also increases due to the urgent requirement of import in various countries. With the increasing demand, the total output of the nation is also increases rapidly. The entrepreneur converts the raw material into goods through the manufacturing process, which can be consumed by the customers in-house, and excess product can be exported to the foreign countries. Hence, entrepreneurs are indirectly liable for their contribution in the national income. For example, the companies like Wipro, HCL, Mittal Steel Company, HCL, Godrej, Flipkart, and many small and big firms contributed to the national income of the country. Next one is promote countries' export trade. Entrepreneur also help in promoting export of goods and services in order to bring in huge foreign exchange services. Other than this, flow of foreign exchange reduces the import dues requirement. As a result, export trade promotion and import substitution accelerate the economic growth. For example, Vardhaman Textiles, Aravind Mill, Kiran James Private Limited, etc. are some of the best exporting firms in India. The well-known names like Reliance, Bajaj, Tata, Sun Pharma, etc. also export their product in international market. The next one is new product and new services and new business. Economic development is encouraged through new products, services and technology introduced by the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs through their innovation try to bring always a new product in the market to fascinate the customers. They focus on increasing varieties and volumes of new and innovative products. The next one is dispersal of economic power. The limited and specific industrial development lead to the creations of market monopoly. Here, the economic power remains in the hands of few business people. This brings with its evil of monopoly and exploitations. The entrepreneurial development breaks down the economic power and disperses it equally among the new and emerging entrepreneurs, consequently reducing the monopolies of few industries in the market. The next one is a better standard of living. Entrepreneurs are essentials for improved economic growth. This economic growth also improves the living standard of the society. Entrepreneurs usually aim to produce a quality good at a reasonable price and satisfy the customers according to their taste and preferences. This increases the purchasing power of the consumer and ultimately generate a high standard of living. For example, FMCG products produced by Godrej like soap, hand wash and other goods like a refrigerator, TV, etc. add to the standard of living of the consumer. Best example in recent time is of Reliance Jio, which has enabled access to internet in almost all parts of the India. The next one is creating innovation. Through innovation, entrepreneur brings in new ideas, products and techniques for enhancement of the society at large. They explore the world and introduce new concepts and philosophies to become more competent and upgraded. In this way, they share their part in economic development. The next one is production's evolution process. Entrepreneurs always keep their eyes and ears open for new input. They constantly look forward to improve their processes. The production's evolution involves the creations of innovative productions process. The entrepreneurs identified and merged the potential technologies in order to use them for the creations of new products and services. Finally, these new products and services are offered to target market consumers. Next one is enhancing welfare amenities. Entrepreneurs develop the product and services capable of serving the society. Different welfare services are provided by the entrepreneurial enterprises like insurance, healthcare, and comfort facilities, etc. Personal needs and problems enable the entrepreneur to identify the required products and services in the market. These conditions work as a stimulator for generating new products and services. Finally, provides a platform for practicing entrepreneurships. For example, Entrepreneurs like Ajim Prem, founder of Wipro, has started his own charity foundations named Ajim Premji Foundations, which aim towards a just, equitable, humane and sustainable society. It is a not-for-profit organization that has been working since 2000 with the elementary education systems in the rural government schools. In this way, the entrepreneurs are contributing for the economic development of the country. One thing is, once again, I am recalling all the points. One is employment opportunity, balanced regional development, increases the national income, promotes the country export, new product, new services and new business, dispersals of economic power, better standard of living, creating innovation, production's evolution process, finally enhancing the welfare amenities. Thank you.